Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to edit your photos to get this awesome look using Adobe Lightroom CC for mobile. Also, you can download the DNG file for free using the password that will appear on this video up in the right corner. So, let's start. Select your photo. Go to Light. Set the exposure to 0.20. Contrast, -14. Highlight, to -62. Shadows, 63. Whites, to -50. And blacks, to -20. Now, go to colors. Temperature, to +16. Tint, 18. Set the vibrance to +45. And saturation, to -28. Now, go to color mix. Red. Hue, -16. Saturation, 29. Orange. Hue, to -17. Saturation, up to 13. And luminance, on 12. Yellow. Hue, -57. Saturation, -32. And luminance, -16. Green. Set the saturation to -42. And luminance to -100. For aqua, set the hue to +100. Go to blue. Hue, to -40. Saturation, -30. Luminance, -31. purple hue, -100. Saturation, -50. And last, go to magenta and set the saturation to -100. Done. From the effects panel, select split tone. For highlight, set the hue on 30 and the saturation on 9. For shadows, hue 134 and saturation 5. Move the balance button on 18. And done. Now, set the texture on +22. Clarity, 13. Go to details. Sharpening, 24. Masking, 12. Noise reduction, 24. Color noise reduction, up to 50. And finish. Now, you can copy the settings and paste them on another photos. Like this. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notifications buttons. In this way, you will be notified when another free preset is uploaded. Thank you for watching.